Produce, say it with me, produce means fruits and vegetables. Although it's spelled P-R-O-D-U-C-E, it is pronounced produce, fruits and vegetables, not the verb produce. You're not producing a video, you're not producing anything, it's produce.
မင်္ဂလာပါမကြီးမုံရဲ့ English အစီအစဉ်ကကြိုဆိုပါတယ် Burglish ကလည်းကြိုဆိုပါတယ် Burglish ဆိုတာဗမာစကားနဲ့ English စကားကိုရောပြီးအခါကျတော့ Burglish လို့ခေါ်တယ်
Hi everybody, so today we are going to go food shopping and I'm going to tell you about the different sections, the different parts of a store, no? So ဂျိမုံကဒီနေ့ကတော့တကယ်ချင်းနေရော store ဆိုင်ကိုသွားပြီးအခါကျတော့အစားအသောက်တွေသွားဝယ်မယ်ဒီအစားအသောက် sections တွေဒီပိုင်းနေရ store ပိုင်းနေရ store sections တွေကဘာတွေလဲလို့ဂျိမုံပြောပြမယ်နော် Okay so the section of the store the part of the store I love the best is called produce section produce means vegetables and fruits right? So in the produce section, you have apples and bananas and spinach. My favorite is spinach. It's so nutrient dense. It has so much iron. It's a great vegetable. So I just love that section because it's so good for my health and it tastes so delicious. It's nature's candy fruits. But also it's great for digestion. No? So I love the produce section. I love it there. ဂျိမရဲ့အကြိုက်ဆုံး section part ကဒီ produce တွေကဒီ hindi ဟင်းရွက်နဲ့ fruits တွေအသီးတွေနေရ produce say it with me produce means fruits and vegetables. Although it's spelled P-R-O-D-U-C-E, it is pronounced produce, fruits and vegetables. Not the verb produce. You're not producing a video. You're not producing anything. It's produce. Okay? Produce. Produce ka Hindi hinwa vegetable and fruit. Athi. No? Fruits are apples, bananas, no? Bandi, ngabyodi, grapes, strawberry, no? Nature ya, gabayi ya, bawa ya, chochen, candy, sweet and sour, chochen, no? So that's what I love. I love produce. Spinach is great for you and it's great for digestion, no? Digestion. Fruits and vegetables are great for digestion. Digestion, right? Digestion is, what is it? Asajira, no? Hindi hiyana atiriya asaji dwa gauna. Right? It's great for digestion. Fruits and vegetables are great for digestion. So here's a little tip, something key. I always look for greens. And so whenever there's something green, broccoli, asparagus, spinach, lettuce, green apples, I know it's healthy for me, right? So saying out meal, Jimo Nelly Posada, saying out she thatအစားအသောက်ဆိုရင်ကျမလို့တရားတော့ကျမရေးအတွက်ကောင်းမယ်လို့အမြဲမထင်တယ်နော် Hindi ဟင်းနဲ့တရားပို့အစင်းပို့ရှိလို့ Okay produce Okay the second section of the store is meat section So the meat section is important and good for you because meats are great for protein the nutrient protein, right? You need good protein in order to do anything, in order to have energy. Ashiyame, no? Otukulo chen protein la loda. Osa golonale protein ga meat stema amyai shida, no? So what is meat? Meat is chicken, beef, red meat, beef, pork, right? Meat. Lamb. Fish is also part of the meat section, right? Yeah, I could say fish is part of the meat section. Salmon is a type of fish, like fish, salmon fish, nga soale, meat ပဲလို့အသားပဲเนาะ and protein အများကြီးရတယ် salmon အဲ့အသားက it has a lot of healthy fats. So salmon has a lot of healthy fats and it's good for you. It's good for your brain. It's good for your brain. Healthy fats. Okay, so next is the dairy section. Dairy section. Dairy section consists of milk, cheese, yogurt. Okay? Milk, cheese, yogurt. They all have dairy. And what is it good for? What nutrients does dairy give you? Calcium. Calcium is needed for your bones, your teeth, mainly teeth and bones. It's good calcium. Okay, so you need milk. Dairy section nga nautaku, no, nautapine. A dairy or nuano milk, cheese, right? Yogurt, dinya, no. The nuano dairy ga batwa kaunle soda calcium. A calcium ga yode twa kaunle bones, yode twa kaunle teeth, twa le kaunle. Okay, so I think we learned a lot today. We learned about produce, right? Produce is what? Vegetables and fruits. Meat, beef, chicken, atha, meda, watha, pork. And then we learned about dairy, right? Milk, cheese, dania, yogurt, nuano. So out of all of these three sections, which is your favorite? Achaisong nialia bale or achaisong asatauga bale. So what's your favorite type of food from these three sections? I wanted to ask you. Or do you like them all? And I hope you're getting a lot of nutrients out of all of them. I'll see you next time on Burglish or Majimo, and thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next weekend. Enjoy your food.